The Mate 20X has a bunch of accessories you can get to really take advantage of this huge, beautiful device. The first one is called the M Pen, and it's kind of like the S Pen, although it has some other functionality. You can get it for $80 on Amazon. It does not come with the 20X, although that would have been nice. So here are a few things that you can do. The first thing you can do is launch a note by just pressing on the home screen. And the cool thing about the M Pen is that it comes with fantastic palm rejection. So as you can see, I can rest my entire palm on here, and it ignores that input. So you can save the note. Another thing you could do is hold the button and double tap the screen to take a screenshot. Pretty standard, and from here you can open it up and write on it and do what you need to do. But my favorite thing to do is to take a selection screenshot, which isn't new to Android, but it's just really nice with the stylus. And then what you do for that is you hold the button and you draw a circle. And from there you can share just a segment of the screen or mark it up. The next thing we're going to jump into is split screen multitasking. And the way that works is you hold the button and you draw a line carefully from one side to the next. It has to touch both sides to work. Then you get your choice of apps here, and using split screen multitasking on the Mate 20X is a really good experience because it's such a large screen with really good resolution. You can really take advantage of Android's really great split screen multitasking. The last thing you can do with the M Pen is activate a feature called High Vision, which is just like Google Lens. It analyzes what's in a photo. The way that works is you press the button and you hold on the screen until you see the little dots. The dots will analyze the screen contents and will try to guess what you're looking at. So as you can see, these early results aren't very accurate, but if you get down a little bit, it does get it right here, Google Home Mini. You can click on that and action on it from there. So that's the M Pen, really great accessory for the Mate 20X to take advantage of this large, beautiful canvas that you have. Next thing we're going to take a look at is the game controller, which is $40 or $50. Pretty good price if you're seriously into gaming. And it works very well. You just kind of snap the phone onto it, which creates a very, very stable place to grip. And you get a trigger button, a joystick, and then a D-pad. And right when you plug it in, it shows you the games you can play. So we've got Asphalt 9, PUBG Mobile, and several others. So we're just going to open PUBG. And so we're just going to move around here with the joystick. And you can still use the screen, which is great because you can really have a tremendous amount of control by moving where you're looking and where you're walking. And again, I don't really play this game, so I apologize if I'm not doing it right, but it looks like a lot of fun. It looks fantastic on the screen, and especially with this controller. So let's play another game. Okay, now we're going to play Asphalt 9. All right, here we go. Gives you really good control over the game, and it gives you some instructions on how you can better utilize the game controller for the Mate 20X. And so that's the game controller and the M Pen, some really great accessories for the Mate 20X, which is a beast of a phone, but it's also really beautiful. It's big, high resolution, and it's got a great quality screen. Really cool phone, has some great accessories. We'll put links in the description if you want to pick up some of these accessories for your Mate 20X, or even if you want to buy Mate 20X, because they're kind of hard to find right now. Thanks for watching. That's it for now.